Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at trigonometry, but we are going to look at the basics and what is normally asked in these aptitude questions. So I'll try to wrap it up. It's a big topic, but I'll try to wrap it up into smaller segments of 6 to 5 minutes in around like five to 6 videos and try to make it. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. So let's start with trigonometry. To better understand trigonometry, I'll try explaining it with a triangle. This is a triangle. If you have any triangle which is right angled, any part where the angle is, if the angle here, theta, is here, what is always this side is what we call the opposite. Are we together? This long part is what we call the hypotenuse, and this downer part is what we call the adjacent. So we have a formula that we call SOHCAHTOA. This is SOHCAHTOA. The first SOHCAHTOA, the first one is what we call sine of an angle here, theta. The formula will be opposite over the hypotenuse. That means you get this opposite over this hypotenuse, the opposite. So it is opposite over the hypotenuse. Next is CA. This C stands for cosine, so it is cos theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. Then the next one is TOA. That is the tangent, which is tan, is equal to opposite over adjacent, this over this, opposite over the adjacent. That is it. So an example can be when we have this angle, this is theta, this is 3, and this is 4. Are we together? And they tell us find the sine theta, the cos theta, and the tan theta. So to get this, we need to first remember we said what is always opposite to the angle is what we call the opposite. So this will be our opposite. What is down will always be the adjacent, and this tall one will always be the hypotenuse. But if you don't have the hypotenuse h, the formula for finding the hypotenuse can be gotten through what we call the Pythagoras theorem, which is h squared equals to a squared plus b squared. This is a, this is b for this case. So our hypotenuse squared is equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared. Our hypotenuse squared equals 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared, which is 16. So h squared is 16 plus 9, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 will be 25. Get the square root, and the square root, our hypotenuse will actually be 5. So to get our sine theta, remember we use our SOHCAHTOA. Our sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite is 3 over our hypotenuse, which is 5. Our cos theta is, remember, adjacent over hypotenuse. Our adjacent is 4 over 5, which is our hypotenuse. And tan theta equals to opposite, which is 3 over adjacent, which is 4, which is 3 over 4. I hope this video has been helpful for you. So we shall try to add on from these concepts. We are going to look at variety of concepts: maximum, minimum, sine rule, cos rule, tan rule, and what is actually needed for the tests. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe.